Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. We're headed over to the shop right now to install some pre-runner lights into our 2024 Grille that we're actually swapping out as well. Now, if you guys watched the Grille installation video, you've seen how I've already swapped this Grille out. This video itself is going to show how I installed the lights in the Grille. I did it all at once just because it was a little simpler, but you could also do this if you already had your Grille in place. So first, let's start with what comes in the box. Packaged securely in a cardboard box with installation instructions linked on the back, these lights are super straightforward. You get 5 of these Grille insert lights, the controller, and 2 fuse taps for different size fuses. The lights have clips on the back that just pop into the 2024 and newer Grille style. I'm going to use 4 of them, but you can use as many or as few as you'd like. With the lights clipped into place, you can see how neatly they fit into the Grille. To get these installed, you'll first need to open your hood, and if you don't have hood struts yet, Yotto has you covered with their beefy kit. You'll need to remove these 6 push pins across the top of the Grille so that you can tip it forward to mount the lights. If your Grille was already installed, this would still be necessary so that you could access the wiring. I'm swapping the Grille, so I was going to do it anyway. Once the push pins are removed, tilt your Grille forward. Now we can unbundle the wiring harness and controller. Now you can connect the lights to the controller using the simple weatherproof clips. There are arrows on each side so that you can line these up correctly. Once your lights are connected, do some random cable management to deal with all the random wires. I ran mine along my wiring for my Tyree lights. Now you can snap your Grille back into place and reinstall the push clips. Next, remove the lid to your fuse box. You'll find a map on the back side of the lid, but I plan on using slot 58 for the passenger heated seat. This will keep them on when the Jeep is running and off while it's off. Remove the factory fuse and replace it with the correct 20 amp fuse tap. Connect the positive wire with the fuse tap and use a heat gun to seal the connection. Next, using a 10mm wrench, remove one of the ground nuts from the fender of your Jeep and connect the negative terminal. Then, reinstall the bolt. Now, put your fuse box cover back in place, do a bit of cable management. Now we just need to download the app to control the colors. So let's get this hood buttoned up and test these out. Nice! Check that out. In full control with the app. These pre-runner lights are a nice touch to the front of the Jeep and a super easy install. Get yours at the link below. As always, thanks for watching and make sure you like and subscribe.